All the people, they have
I've done this before.
You want to get on the dance floor?
Let me have a few beers
Come
first.
on, buddy. Come
After
on,
a couple beers, I'm gonna be dancing. Dancing with you.
Summer, what are we eating? What are we eating? What are we eating? What are we eating?
Oh, Chuan Chuan, Chuan Chuan.
What are we eating? What are we eating?
Chuan Chuan xiang. Yeah, spicy.
Chuan Chuan is a type of barbecue, right? A type of barbecue or a type of hot pot? It's like a type of hot pot.
Oh, yeah, that
Huh?
Hello. Where are you from?
America, where are you from? Chongqing?
No, Fujian.
Fujian. Okay.
America, okay. What do you do?
I am a YouTuber.
Oh.
I don't even know what some of the things are. It's fascinating.
The sauce. The sauce is the most important part.
Yeah.
The most important. Hello. Hot pot, typically they bring you all sorts of dishes and trays that you put in the soup, the hot soup. But in this case, everything is skewers. So it's just skewers upon skewers of all sorts of stuff that's already pre-spiced. Chicken wings, pre-spiced. Annie's favorite, chicken hearts, pre-spiced.
Chongqing beers?
Yeah, Chongqing beer, of course. Let's see what else we got here. Duck tongue, pre-spiced. And then we've got some, like a lot of like organ meat. Like I think this is stomach. I think this is stomach, pre-spiced. And then let's see here. Butt, intestine, butthole, a little bit of butthole. Gotta love a little bit of butthole. Bean tofu, I like that. And then we've got tofu skin. This is the skin of the tofu. Very, very good. If you've never had tofu skin, you've got to try it. Oh boy, this is bologna. I always tell Annie, I says, Annie, you are full of bologna. Are you a garlic sauce
You want to have
or are
the
you
full
a spicy
experience
sauce?
of getting the by yourself?
Oh yeah, of course. I have to mix my own sauce. Come on now.
Where are the bowls?
Huh?
One banana.
I have a feeling it's going to be a long week. We're going to go light on the sauce. We're going to go a little light on the sauce. I don't want to get myself in trouble. We were about to eat a true Chongqing specialty. It's hot pot, but it's sort of like skewer hot pot. They got all sorts of different types of skewers. The soup is broken into two sides. You got the hot side and you got the not so hot. Hi. You got the hot and you got the not so hot side. You dip the meat in, you let it cook to whatever your heart content is, and then you chow down. There's a lot of spice around. I'm gonna try and take it easy. We got a long trip in Chongqing ahead, and I don't want to get ahead of myself. Holy shit. So what do we got? Can you tell us what we got? What is it? So we've got some root, right?
Oh, how do you say?
Oh.
Opian is lotus.
Oh is what we'll be doing when we finish eating all of this. Right?
哎呀，我买的。
That is a shitload of food. Soon to be spicy food. Ready for this, Jack?
Yes, I am. I might have a different answer tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I think I might too. Oh my god, yeah. Is that for you?
Will do.
Is that for you, Alex?
Yeah. This is Jiansha bai. It's not a strong baijiu by any means, but it's only 40%.
What is baijiu?
Baijiu is, they class it as a wine. So it's not wine though. Wine is like 12%, this is 40%. Oh, there's beer as well now. Yeah, it's called white wine, it's basically a spirit. This one's pretty weak, it's only 40%. Usually like most of them are about 53 to 56.
Basically it's like drinking paint thinner. we'll leave the rice wine up to Alex there. I'm not going to touch that.
Locally brewed in Chongqing.
Oh, locally brewed in Chongqing. Sounds good to me.
Cheers, brother. Or just drink it like this.
哎，帮他拿个杯，这个杯就杯最小点。1、2、3
Cheers. Cheers.
The meat is a very small segment. It's like, hey, can we have an excuse for having so much spice? Yeah, let's put some meat in there.
So I know an interesting story of the origin of hot pot. So you know, like more than 100 years ago, like the rich people would eat cow for meat, and they would like throw away the organs, straps, like intestines and stomachs, and like these things will end up in the by the riverside. The poor people, like the boat tracker, they don't have money for the meat, so they would just pick up this trash, these straps, and because these things are so nasty and disgusting, they have to boil it with like hot water and like add more spices, to balance that smell. So that ended up somehow became the hot pot.
Learn something. What is it? The more you know, right? The more you know. What was that thing? The more you know. Hello.
We want to take a picture of you.
Oh, okay.
Friendly, we want to take a picture of you.
Hole in there. It'll give you that nice sound. So take it, Ready?
Mine's got a great sound.
Yeah. Chris is very quiet. You didn't even make any sound. You have to make a sound.
Mine didn't have too many sticks.
There you go. There you go. The trick to this sort of hot pot here in Chongqing is controlling the spice intake. You dip it in the mild, and then you take as much spice as you want, the sauce-wise. But if you take it out of the spicy side, you're in for a hurt.
You'll pay for it the next morning.
This is not that bad. Actually, to be honest, this is great. This is perfect. This is perfect.
The spicy side there was almost like crying.
I think Summer's a party girl.
Summer party.
Her second beer. Good job. I need to find a porter tomorrow.
Balama? Yeah, I'll be your porter.
A Sherpa.
Tomorrow we're gonna go on the mountain. We're gonna have to climb all the way up. What is the mountain called?
It's a 20-minute hike.
Pick up a 3.
It's a 20-minute.
No
20-minute hike.
20-minute hike. No steps, just a path. I've already researched.
Is there a tram to the top? Escalator?
You drive up to the top.
You drive to the top. Ah, that's not fair.
You hike 20 minutes.
Sometimes we need
That's not fair.
more than 6 hours.
Yeah, if you hiked it up, there's 6 hours.
However, we
You drive it up, you can park, and then it's 20 more
You
minutes
can
walking.
try.
You can hike. I'm gonna drive.
Half, okay?
Yeah,
Half.
Half?
No, full.
Full. Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
Another hoji.
I want to marry Summer.
Oh.
Very good. Very good. Oh, she wants more now. Oh yeah. Wow.
Someone just set a benchmark for Chinese diet right here. Right here.
Who's next? Who's next?
Summer is a personification of JaYoe. JaYoe literally means to add fuel. She is adding fuel. JaYoe.
Nice work.
JaYoe. Add alcohol.
How many beer of you?
6 or 7, I guess.
6 or 7?
6 or 7.
And the two beer.
Baijiu is
Seven
quite weak,
beer
it's
and
like
the two
40%, but you know, whatever. We're gonna.
He's a professional. You're a rock star.
You're a rock star.
You're a rock star. Show me your bottom lip.
When you have a tattoo on the inside of your bottom lip,
Who else has it? Other people.
That is hardcore.
Is that in movies?
that is
People have their tattoo.
that is Alex Absolute right there. We'll leave that to him. There will be no JaYoe on the inside of my lip. It just will not happen. Sorry if that disappoints you.
Give a shit. Give a shit about your friends.
Hey,
I give a shit about
don't make it
She's gonna
bad.
sing Beatles.
I would rather fucking
Alex,
jump into a
she's singing.
Sing Beatles.
Singing.
Hey, Jude.
I always forget the words. I want,
She's going to get the music.
please forget with me the word. I say English song.
What's your favorite English song?
Hey Jude.
Hey Jude.
And just one last dance.
Don't.
And you know the Danny Boy, tell me why.
Danny boy.
And Michael Jackson held the word.
Your favorite national anthem is from my country. Because
Oh my God, the Lawais are getting crazy. What am I gonna do?
I always my favorite group is Western Knife and Backstreet.
What's the West
Western Knife.
Everybody sing.
My love. Empty house. Held inside my heart.
Yeah. I like the Western Knife is Satan in the song.
Yeah.
In America,
I never
I don't know.
Westlife
Yeah, I've
till I
never
came to
heard of
China.
him either. Yeah.
No, Satan in the song, Western Knife. Goodbye, Papa, it's hard to die. You know, are you heard?
Seasons in the sun.
Satan in the song. You know, over the rainbow.
Over the rainbow. I know that song.
You raise
From
me
the
up.
movie.
You raise me up.
No, it's
Oh,
not. It's not somewhere over the rainbow.
Yeah.
And Santa
That one I
Cruz.
know.
Just when I stand. Just when I stand before we say goodbye. Are you heard?
No, but you're very good. Keep going. Keep going.
I know. You
Keep
must know the. My heart will go on.
See, I think these.
From Bodyguard.
Oh, Bodyguard. Yeah. Okay, that one I know.
When I see the day.
Hey Jules, stand there. I'll sing the song to you, to all the friends.
All right,
Okay.
we're gonna
KTV moment. KTV moment.
I just
Okay.
He needs his microphone.
don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to never eat your hurt. Since you can stir to make it better.
Better.
Don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get
Sing it, Summer.
her.
Sing it, Summer. Yeah.
She's
killing it.
Then you'll be king to make it better. Hey Jude,
Honorary Brit.
don't carry the world upon your shoulder. Far when those are disco, who pay
Acapella.
by may the world a little colder.
Summer.
Hey.
She killed it.
All right, fellas, we will talk to you later. We're finishing up beers. We're gonna close the day out. Tomorrow, we're gonna do some interesting stuff. The whole week in Chongqing. Obviously, by the time you watch this, we will probably be home already. But
Sleep well.
good times. Talk to you later. JaYoe. Bye-bye. Today we're at the peak of the Three Gorges. Alex had a rough night last night. You can watch it in yesterday's
I
episode.
wouldn't say rough. It was fun.
Do you think you can get a picture?
Mush. The peak of the Three Gorges self-drive photography site.
This is back in the day where you had taking a picture was a little bit more work.
It's real. That's old school. That's old school.
There's an island. If you watch yesterday's episode, we were right there on that island. That's where that temple we were at is. What's the name of this?
Hankuimen.
Chongqing. How about you, Jimbo?
Yeah, the light is pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
That little village straight down is getting a spotlight effect.
This is the Instagram spot. This is the field with the split and the mountain and the house.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be hanging out with the enemy.
Did you point out that I'm not American, right? I'm English.
Can't we all just get along?